Welcome to another episode of This Old Land Deal and Venture Forward. My goal with this truck, which is a 1991 Land Rover Defender 110 high-capacity pickup, is to preserve its current outward appearance, which is very classic, rustic, and even a little bit world-weary. But I want the inside, the cab of the truck, to be clean and refined. Today, I'm going to replace the seats with brand new OE-style front seats from Rovers North. The current seats, I don't know if they're original or not, are all torn up. They look like a possum or a raccoon got into them. They were like that when I bought it 2 years ago. They're so unsightly, and it's something that I just want to fix up and get out of the way. Should make a huge difference in the comfort and the appearance of the truck. Nice seats by Exmoor Trim. They're gray, just like the seats that are coming out, and they come with new bases and sliders. It looks like they're just 4 bolts per seat, so zap the old ones out and bolt the new ones in. Shouldn't take long at all. A little spacer under them. Well, these ones in the back are going to be a little bit tricky to reach, so I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Come on. Front try. Everything was entirely too easy until now. I knew there'd be a gotcha. But the holes of the new seat, the bracketry, does not quite line up with the holes in the platform. That one is already in, and I'm just yanking and tugging to get these other ones to line up. Okay. All right, that's 2. I'm not going to be putting a ton of pressure on it, just enough to pull it over a little bit, like an extra person. All right, that's 4. Now I just have to tighten them. And it looks like the 4th hole is going to line up, so I'm not going to need to use the ratchet strap on this side. phenomenal. The new seats look great, and again, they're gray vinyl seats by Exmoor Trim for the Land Rover Defender 110. I got them from Rovers North, and I'm not sponsored in any way. I paid for these outright. I'm just sharing with you what they are and where I got them. They are a little bit firm. I feel like I'm sitting higher and there's some lumbar action going on. I think they just need to be broken in. Who knows how old the last seats were. There is one finishing touch that I'm going to add tomorrow. Here in southern Arizona, vinyl seats in the blazing sun, you can imagine how hot they get. The constant sun and heat here will definitely take their toll on the material and the stitching. So take a good look now, because tomorrow I'm going to cover them up with some protection. Exmoor Defender canvas seat covers. Occasionally wash carefully with a soft cloth and sponge and water and soft soap to clean the fabric. Do not tumble dry. Can be dry cleaned. Only time will tell how these actually wear, but I love the classic look and feel of these things. It's a rugged canvas material with dark leather piping, light tan stitching, and little pockets sewn in here and there. Looking good. Now that the seats are taken care of, we're ready to move on to other things. Thank you all for watching, and please check out venture4wd.com for a massive repository of campsite locations and GPS data.